Okay, viewers, very quickly let's solve this question. This is asking us to calculate the mass of carbon 4 oxide gas. Now, carbon 4 oxide gas, it has a symbol of CO2, while carbon 2 oxide has the symbol of CO. Please take note, so many students make mistake there. Now, which occupies 11.2 gram at 27 degrees Celsius and 10 kilopascal. So now our temperature here has to be converted away from degrees Celsius now to Kelvin, and doing so, our temperature here is given as 27 degrees Celsius plus 273 Kelvin, which will give us 300 Kelvin. Please take note. Now, while our pressure is given to us as 10 kilopascal, now the only time we are required to convert away from kilopascal to pascal is when our volume is not given in dm cube, it is given in meter cube. So since we have this in dm cube and this is in kilopascal, so we are fine. We don't need to convert their state away from kilopascal and dm cube. So now our pascal here now happens to be, our pressure rather happens to be 10 kilopascal. Our mass, which is what we are looking for now, molar mass of CO2, just like I said earlier, it has the symbol of CO2. So carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16 times 2, which gives us 44 gram per mole, right? So now our volume from the question is 11.2 dm cube. So we have our gas constant. Our gas constant is given as 8.314. Please take 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. So that if I have to solve this question here now, we will need to apply our our general gas equation formula, which is PV is equals to nRT. But take note, we don't have N, or we are not giving N. So we can then substitute N as mass over molar mass, because N means, or it stands for number of moles, and our formula for calculating mole is mass all over molar mass. So here we have it as PV is equals to mass all over molar mass multiplied by our gas constant times the temperature. So now let's start imputing. Our pressure here happens to be 10 multiplied by what is our V. Our V is 11.2 is equals to mass times 8.31 multiplied by 300 Kelvin all over what is our molar mass, all over 44. So 10 times 11.2, 10 times 11.2, that will give us 112 is equals to 8.31 multiplied by 300. That will give us 2493 m. Please take note. So all over 44. So we must multiply. This will be 112 multiplied by 44, which will give us 4928 is equals to 2493